about to be a test on this thing, but the difference is that it actually starts at 12 noon instead of 7 o'clock p.m., so that's the only difference here.
You're listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio.
There we go.
Radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area. You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service. In Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma, north central Cleveland County and central Oklahoma, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Moore, moving north at 20 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh.
Hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
We're starting with this?
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southern Oklahoma City, Moore, Midwest City, Dell City, Valley Brook, and Tinker Air Force Base. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather...
Brother, we are starting with a severe thunderstorm that is under my county. Excuse me? Okay, I had to bring up my computer because that alert I got previously was not expected whatsoever. Okay, so as they issued a Cleveland, Oklahoma severe thunderstorm warning, they also issued one for Garfield County, which has a full inch hail. I think that's like $50. I don't really know. But for me, it's penny. And now that it's been issued on this thing, it just keeps repeating the same alert over and over again. So, okay, so out here it doesn't look too bad, right? But as you turn around, yeah, I'm at Grandma's house right now. This is not looking good. I can hear the thunder from here. This is definitely going to be a crazy day.
Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I knew something was going to happen. Something else was.
A severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Hennessy, moving north at 20 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and $50 size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hennessy, Wicomas, Douglas, and
Why am I
Bison.
shaking so much? Gosh
For your
dang.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm
Right now I'm
warning
gonna...
for northeastern Kingfisher County in central
Let me see the IMBot report on this.
in northern Oklahoma until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I was just watching a Twitch stream and all of a sudden that happened.
Your thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Hennessy.
Oh wow. Yeah.
20 miles an hour.
Stupid thing, focus.
Expected hazards include
Please.
60 miles an hour wind gusts and $50 size hail.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Yeah, severe thunderstorm warning. Holy crap, that hail is big.
Damage to vehicles is expected.
Garfield and Kingfisher. That's like north of us, yeah. They canceled the one for Garfield only. And now there's... he's back at it again. I was just watching a Twitch stream and all of a sudden this thing came in with... Uh-oh, boy, the double, bobble. Are they gonna tone it? There it is.
National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Grady County in central Oklahoma, east central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 7:15.
That's right next to my county, to the left.
At 6:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles west of Pecasset, moving north at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
You see that for every single warning.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Union City, Minko, Pecasset, Kogar, Lake Chickasha, and Cedar Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Well, that's new.
Flood advice.
I have never heard the radio say that before. If you can hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. I've never heard them say that before. That you're close enough to be struck by lightning, which is a possibility. Yeah, I've never ever heard that one before.